Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a course on YouTube using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, and a course that we have created for the channel. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this way for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio. Use a shortcut by the bookmarks tab. Click on this way for that to load. Once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Go to Content. Navigate to Courses. And here we have a course that was created in the previous tutorial. I want to delete the full course. Go to Options and now go to Delete. Delete course-test. Are you sure you want to delete the course that was created? Deleting a course is a permanent action and cannot be undone. The videos within the course won't be deleted. Click on Delete. Course-test has been deleted. It was also within the playlist section. That is no longer available. If I were to, let's just say now go to View Channel on YouTube, go to the Courses tab. We can see that courses-test is no longer visible on screen. Let's now go back one, go back to Courses. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.